feel. Just another pain when you gave it to.
You may hang me, buddy. Ain't no love, baby, bye.
Don't really wanna make it tough. I just wanna tell you that I had enough.
Might sound crazy, buddy. Ain't no love, baby, bye.
Just wanna be a for feel. Just another pain when you gave it to.
You may hang me, buddy. Ain't no love, baby, bye.
Don't really wanna make it tough. I just wanna tell you that I had enough.
Might sound crazy, buddy. Ain't no love, baby, bye.
Hi everyone, by the WEGMANS No Pulp orange juice, a liter, a box. You see that box of liter of WEGMANS No Pulp orange juice. I'm gonna taste it. Not too bad. And this is like, oh, and do you see the box of liter of WEGMANS orange juice has 100%, but it's still the same. I think. It was pretty good though. Yeah, it does not taste bad or everything. It's quite a, and the same as the bottle one, the big one. It's the same as this one. Breakfast is the important meal of the day. Orange juice, a breakfast important meal of healthy meal of the day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Hello, moms and dads, friends and neighbors. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave the comment, subscribe, and let us know. If not, thumbs down. Of this Cris Torres food review created by Walt Disney.